I swear, y'all, but as a nail technician, we don't make that much money as a nail tech, but we sure do know how to live life and be very happy. Why? Because we're not working under no corporation. Even though people work in corporation makes a lot of money, but the amount of stress that they take home is tremendous. They have to worry about switching hours because they don't want to work on the weekend. They have to worry about getting a raise every single year. They have to request for vacation. They have to worry about if people talking bad about them. There's none of that in this nail salon, y'all. Every single nail tech is their own boss, and they gotta make up their own hours, what days they wanna work, and if they want a raise, they just have to work harder. If they want a vacation, they just take off and go. And the best part about it is that nobody's watching over their back while they work, besides the clients. And on top of that, if they close down the salon, my God, all they do is just hang out with their friends and family, turn up, go to the casino, go to the restaurant, and have a party and sing some karaoke. That's what Nailtechs life is all about, y'all. That's why they're always having fun, but they are always broke. But it's okay. I'd rather have fun and be broke than be rich than stressed out all the time and hate my job, right?